Mr. Benedetti here, and welcome to Mr. Benedetti's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making our own instruments. This is for the 2020 E-Performance Medley. If you are an experienced guitar ukulele player and find yourself without an instrument at home, we're going to build our own. We're going to put you in this video as well. I'm sure it's disappointing not being able to play ukulele or guitar, but this is going to be a lot of fun. So for what you need is a large piece of plastic. I'm using Tupperware, but anything that's like nice and big. And the reason for that is this is going to be used for our bass drum sound. When you hit it, it's going to give you a nice fat sound like that. You're going to really appreciate it. You can experiment with which end gives you the best tone. I'm using the top. This instrument also needs to be able to make a shake sound. That's why I have rice. You could also use pasta or gravel or anything you get your hands on that you can fill this tub with. Again, you don't want to fill it up too much or you're going to lose a lot of that nice bassy sound. So we're going to fill it up about a third of the way. Nice and full right there. Okay. So again, it's not even halfway full. Less than that. All right. And to do this recipe, you need to close the lid real tight. And remember, anything that you're doing at this point, you also want to make sure that you clean everything up afterwards. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the rice away now that I'm done with it. You can go ahead and put your stuff away now too. I'll wait. All right, now we're left with just our instrument. So if you are going to hit with the bass, you hit on top, and it'll still shake a little bit. That's fine. You expect that to be the case, but try not to shake it, let it really shake. Give it a nice hit with a little shake. And then to actually shake it, you take and you shake it up and down. Shake. And you want to get the speed up so it gives you a nice hit like that. It's not like a slow shake like this. It's a quick shake, shake, shake. So practice those two techniques. Then I'm going to go over the patterns with you next.